Good morning, children. Now we are going to learn topic 1 numbers and number system PPT 2. Question number 1. The total number of prime numbers in between 10 and 20 are. Children, we know prime numbers from 1 to 110. So these here asking 10 to 20 only. So 10 to 20 prime numbers. How many? We have to find how many. So that's why we have to write what are the primes 11, 13, 17, 19. So totally 4 prime numbers. So option 2 is correct. Question number 2. The difference between place value of 4 and 7 in the number 4,96,372 is 4,96,372 is 372. In this place value of 4 is ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakhs. So 4 lakhs. 4 lakhs. This is the place value, children. Next, we have to know place value of 7. So it is in tens place. So place value of 7 is 70. So difference is 0. 0 minus 7 not possible. That's why borrow from 4. 9, 9, 9, 10. 10 minus 7, 3, 9, 9, 9, 3. So what the answer? 3,99,930. So this is the difference. So this is the difference. So 3,99,930. 3,99,930. Option 4. Question number 3. 70,805. 70,000. 70,800. 70,805. So 70,805. So option 2. Question number 4. In the following pairs of numbers, which are relative prime numbers? Children, we know relative primes. Relative primes. What are relative primes? Relative primes are co-primes. Relative are co-prime primes. The numbers which have one only common factor are called relative or co-primes. So that's why we have to know factors first. Factors of 8 are 1 to 4, 8. Factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5, 15. If you don't know, children, you have to know these factors up to 20 orally or some numbers. If they are for bigger numbers, we have to write like the children. For bigger numbers, 115 is 3 5 is like this, up to down, down to up. So this is the method of finding factors. So common factors for this one only. So common factors. Common factors or only 1. Common factor is 1. So that's why 8 and 15 are co-primes or relative primes. Question number 5. How many prime numbers are there in between 10 and 20? So this is repeated question. 10 and 20. Between 10 and 20 or 11, 13, 17, 19. 4. Option 2. Sixth, the only one prime number between 90 and 100. So 90, between 90 and 100 is only one prime number, 97. This is prime number between 90 and 100. Option 2. 7. 77 lakh 77,077 is represented numeral form as 77 lakh 77,070. So in this hundreds not pronounced, that's why 0. 77. So this is the answer. 77 lakh 77,000 77 lakh 77,077. Option 3. The smallest, eighth one, the smallest 5-digit number when diminished by greatest 3-digit number becomes the smallest 5-digit number. The smallest 5-digit number is 1. After we have to write 4 zeros. So this is the smallest 5-digit number, 10,000. And the greatest 3-digit number. Greatest 3-digit number, 3 nines. Only 3 nines. Diminished means decreased. Decreased means we have to subtract. Not possible. We have to borrow from 1. Here 0, 9, 9, 9, 10. 1, 0, 0, 9. 9,001 when diminished. 9,001. So option 2. Ninth one, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and 13 are all dash. So these are prime numbers. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 are all prime numbers. Option 3. 10th one, what is the difference between the 3 digits biggest number and 3 digits lowest number? 3-digit biggest number, 3-digit biggest number is 3-digit biggest number is 3 nines, and 3 digits smallest lowest number means smallest number 1 after 2 zeros. So difference means subtraction. 9, 9, 8, 899, 899. Option 3. 11th one, 90,000 99 in numeral 90,000 99 90,000 99 90,000 99 option 4. 12th one, the 4-digit biggest number formed by using the digits 1057 is. To write biggest number, we should use the given digits in descending order, big to small. So first to 7 5 1 0 7 5 1 0 option 4. 13th one, the least number among the following number is. The least number. So how to find the least number? First we have to write 33,719, 71,933, 91,337, 37,193. So to find least number or greatest number, we have to compare first leftmost digit. So least number to find least number in this, these are in competition 3. Then we have, that's why we have to compare these digits. So this is the smallest. So first one is the smallest, option 1. 14th one, how many 4-digit numbers are there in number system? 1-digit number, children, 1-digit number we know 9, 1-digit numbers 9, 2-digit numbers 99, 2-digit number 90, 3-digit numbers 900. We have to find 4-digit numbers. 4-digit numbers 9,000. So 9,000 option 3. 15. The smallest 4 digits even number formed by 0, 1, 2 and 3 is. Smallest 4-digit even number. To write smallest 4-digit number, first we have to write 1, not 0. We have to keep this 0 left to second place. 1032. So this is the smallest 4-digit number formed by given these 4 digits. So option 2. 16th one, in the following numbers, which number is smallest? This is 5-digit number, this is also 5-digit number, this is also 5-digit number, this is also 5-digit number. So we have to compare from left to most digit. 70, 7, 70, 70. Next to 7, 0. So option 4, by observing we can identify the answer. So this is the smallest one. 70070 is the smallest number. The smallest odd number formed by using the digits 1, 0, 3, 4 and 5 is. Smallest odd number. To write smallest odd numbers, we should write a smaller digit to larger digit. 1, 0, 3, 4, 5. Smallest odd number 10,345. 10,345, option 1. 18th one, the sum of the greatest and the smallest number of 4 digits is. The sum of the greatest and the smallest number of 4 digit. 4 digit greatest. Greatest number 4 nines. 4 digit smallest number is 1 after 3 zeros. Difference, no, sorry, sum children, sum means addition. 9, 9, 9, 10. So 10,999. 10,999, option 2. 19th, how many times will the digit 9 occur in writing numbers from 1 to 100? So 20 times children. So how can we identify? So in these numbers we have 9, 9, 19, 29, 39, 49, 59, 69, 79, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So 20 times. How many times? 20 times will occur. Question number 20. What is the smallest number which when subtracted from 4,38,877 leaves the resultant a perfect square? Children, we know the perfect square numbers ends in 0, 1, 4, 5, 9. So perfect square numbers ends in these digits children. 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 also children. 6 also. So 6 ends with these digits. If we subtract it from this, we can get to perfect square number. 7 minus 3, 4. We are getting 4. Maybe. So we can check these also. 7 minus 5, 2. Not there. 7 minus 0, 7. Not there. So when we subtracted 623 from this number, we can get to perfect square number. So to identify this, you have to know square number children. Squares: 1 square 1, 2 square 2 to the 4, 3 square 3 3 the 9, 4 square 4 4 the 16, 5 square 5 5 the 25, 6 square 6 6 the 36, 7 square 7 7 the 49, 8 square 8 8 the 64, 9 square 9 9 the 81, 10 square 100, 11 square 121. So if we observe, we can identify in these results 0, 1, 4, 9, 6, 5, 6, 9, 4. These only repeating. So perfect square numbers ends with 0 or 4 or 5 or 6 or 9. So basing these digits we can identify which is perfect or not. So option 1 is correct, children. Children, thank you. Thank you for watching this video. You practice regularly. Practice makes man perfect. Thank you.